Actually, my UAP journey, I think I would say it's very parang siyang roller coaster. So I get the highs, I get both the highs and the lows. But yun nga, upon entering UP, um, pandemic, and then bubble season, and then nagka-injury ako, and then nagpa-surgery ako ng paa, and then came back, and then I remember na during nung bumalik ako after my injury, I remember na yung mga tao, grabe yung the way I criticize. That's the term na lang I'd use in a way just to not be negative. The way sila mag-criticize, it's very, minsan hurtful kasi, ano ba naman itong si... ano ba itong si Morales? Bakit ganyan maglaro? Bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? So parang, they don't know. Yun na lang yung, parang shift ko na lang yung mindset ko, how I see it na. They don't know kung ano yung pinagdaanan ko. They don't know my sacrifices, the efforts, the sweat, blood, sweat, and tears nga sabi. Lahat ng sacrifices. And they get to judge you lang for a one bad game. So it's really unfair for me. And especially for the other girls also na naglalaro. And imagine after surgery, and then I played. And the next noon is, aside from everything that na parang sa laro, meron pang external factors, meron pang mga other things outside volleyball na you need to take into consideration. So, UAAP for me, I learned a lot of lessons. Both, it all came from my experiences din talaga. May it be positive or negative. May it be parang maganda ba yung nabigay sa akin noon or bad ba yung experience ko doon. I chose na lang to always look at the brighter side, look at the things na what matters, kung ano yung mga kabuti sa akin. I learned how to filter yung mga magagandang bagay lang na makukuha ko. And then, I learned to block out the noise na hindi good for me. So, UAAP, I would say na together with UP also, na it really it shaped me to the person I am today. Na I get to know more of myself. I get to realize what I'm capable of. And I'm just really grateful na even though ganun yung mga nangyayari from the past, I chose na lang to be optimistic about it. Yun nga, I have a tattoo, parang, amor fati, but love of fate. Just, everything happens for a reason. Whatever will be, will be. If it's for you, it's for you. Yun nga, ako parang, mindset na lang na, kung hindi talaga para sa akin, edi, let's face the other direction. Yun nga sabi nila, one door closes, the other one opens. So I'm not really closed up with anything na pag may nangyaring masama or like unfavorable na situation, parang closed off agad ako, parang ganun. I learned how to adjust and adapt. And I think that parang yun yung naturo sa akin ng UP. Na I get to adjust, I get to be parang versatile, whatever might happen, kung ano man, whatever situation I'm in. So, I look at UAAP na lang as something na shaped me as a person. Both, kahit parang yung primary reason ko was volleyball, but both, like, individual growth, and also athletic growth, athletic development. Parang malaking factor siya, malaking part siya ng lives ko.